Hello and greetings from Team Denoters. For this hackathon, we decided to build a knowledge management editor to create and share on-chain data. We started with the question, how do we fetch and visualize blockchain data best? Let's take a look at the space. Today we have many prevalent actors such as Dune, Covalent, Subgraph, and many more. All fantastic products that can use data from the blockchain space. But imagine writing a newsletter to your DAO, a monthly summary to your shareholders with the latest Web3 news, or just a blog post filled with interesting blockchain insights. In order to do this, we would need custom-built solutions or at least consult multiple data sources to gather the information we want. So what's the solution? Enter Denoted. It's an open source knowledge management editor that easily integrates data from the blockchain by leveraging these powerful APIs directly into the editor. Instead of you having to gather data from all these different sources, we have it all here in one single space. Let's dive into the demo video. So the idea is simple. You start by signing in with Web3 Auth, and once you're signed in, you can click Create, and then you're off to writing and editing whatever you want. A blog post, a newsletter, a white paper, and so on. Whenever you want to fetch some blockchain data, you simply make a slash and you can get the data you want. So in this example, we're fetching some data about DAOs. In the first example, we can see that Spork DAO currently holds a number of sporks on Ethereum and a number of sporks on Polygon. In the second example, we're fetching some data about the Uniswap DAO. It's a proposal result where 71 delegates voted for and 4 delegates voted against. And in the last example, we're fetching some data from Dune about MakerDAO, and we can see a P&L chart for the latest years. So what is happening under the hood? We built a what you see is what you get editor with a clean and simple design that works with markdown syntax. You start by connecting to the app through Web3 Auth, as you saw, and whenever you're connected, you'll be able to start creating. Whenever you're making that slash, you're fetching from one of our many integrations. We currently have support for Covalent, Subgraph, Tally, Lens, and Dune. Lastly, the data is saved and retrieved in ComposeDB through your decentralized identifier. During this hackathon, we managed to lay the foundation for what a knowledge management editor for visualizing on-chain data could look like. For the future, we're excited about the possibility of further expanding this project. The next steps would be to expand upon the features of Denoted, such as adding further integrations, APIs, and maybe even permission-based workspaces. It could also mean expanding on functionalities, such as AI, mathematical operations, and charts. One crucial part of building Denoted was that we wanted to keep it open and composable so that each community or team could use Denoted in accordance with their needs. So whatever it is you need should be possible to implement into the editor. The red thread here is to use this single space to share Web3 knowledge to a wide audience. And that's how we contribute our piece to bringing in the next billion users. Thank you for listening.